Today is Monday, April 20th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And following a pretty strong cold front, we are experiencing colder than normal temperatures throughout much of the northern plains, the Great Lakes, and the Midwest. And we even saw some snow over the weekend. So that colder than normal air is pretty solidly locked in here in the Great Lakes region. Then in the deep south, we're still warm, but there are some scattered showers and storms throughout much of Texas. So 48 is all we can do for you in Grand Rapids today. Same for Detroit, 43 in Cleveland, 52 in Chicago. Certainly not bad over there in Des Moines or even Minneapolis. At least we're in the 60s. If you're standing in the sunshine, 60s does feel pretty good, especially this time of the year. I mean, May is not that far away, believe it or not. It'll be about 50 today in Pittsburgh, 58 in Cincy, 60s for you in Louisville. And then it starts to get pretty much as you head south of Tennessee back into more summery weather, mid and upper 70s and even some 80s not that far away. So we are going to warm up. It looks like as we head toward the end of the week, we could get back into the 70s in Detroit. It looks like areas east of Michigan will probably remain pretty cool. That means out toward the northeast, but get a little break here by the middle and end of the week. Look at that in Chicago. We could actually be up near 80 by Thursday. As we slide southeast a bit here in Washington, D.C., only 57 today. You can clearly see where the front is, right? We've got 70s. So it's not a dramatic difference, but it's a difference nonetheless. 70s versus 50s up to the north. Lots of 70s and sunshine should be nice, but certainly for folks in the southeast, this is kind of a cool air mass, especially in the mornings. 76 in New Orleans, 74 in Dallas, and we got 80s down the Florida Peninsula, but some scattered showers and storms, especially on the East Coast. Charlotte, we're going to be back in the 80s by Wednesday, so just hang tight here. A couple of cool mornings and evenings coming up, but it does get summery again second half of the week. Windy in Fort Lauderdale with some scattered showers this afternoon, hit or miss, and some showers at least the first part of this evening, then tapering off. We got showers in the forecast pretty much every day through about Wednesday, maybe Thursday, and then we'll see much better weather just in time for next weekend or this upcoming weekend. All right, that is your Monday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a great start to the week. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.